Hi, my name is Danny and I live in Canada. In this video series, I'm going to teach you about Python coding. Today, we are going to download Python. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's get started now. So first we're going to open your browser. I'm using Chrome. Go to a new tab and search for python.org/download. So you can see I already have it. And then enter. Well, I'm using a Windows computer. And also, depending on how old your computer is, you may have to do different steps. So first, if you're using Windows, and also I will go over the Mac steps. So if you're using Windows, click this. It's going to download a file like this. So after you download it, you can open it up, and you're going to click all the buttons. So like the continue, finish, and all those buttons. And then you can skip ahead in this video. Also, for later instructions on how to open Python. So anyways, so if you're using a Mac, you're going to actually open this. So if you're using version 10.5 or higher, you're going to download the 32-bit version. Also, there's something that I forgot to tell you. We're going to use Python 3.8.3. So anyway, so depending on what kind of Mac you're using, so if it's 10.5, you're going to download the 32-bit version of Python 3.8.3. If you're using version 10.6 or higher, you can download the 64-bit/32-bit. So an example of that would be like one of this. So there's 64-bit/32-bit. So you're gonna get Python 3.8.3. So once it downloads, double click the file. It should be called something like Python 3.8.3 Mac OS X 10.6.pkg. Agree to the license and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Python software. You should be prompted for the administrator password for your Mac before Python installs. If you don't have the password, ask your parents or whoever is the master of your machine. Once you're done, you're going to navigate to Go and then to the applications and find a file called Python 3.8 in the list of applications. Open the Python folder and then double click something that will be called Python 3.8 IDLE. So because we're going to be using that version in these video series. If you're using Windows, so you're going to click the Windows key on your keyboard or go here into the corner, click this, and you're going to scroll down until you get to the P section, so this section. So I also have Python 3.8 and 3.7, but so you're going to click this, well, you're going to click on that, and then you're going to open this one. So it says IDLE, Python 3.8.32-bit. So you're going to open that. It might take a while to load. Good. So now what? Open. So even if you're using a Mac or anything, it's going to open and should look something like this. So now you're ready. Now you can go to video 2 of this video series, and I'll post once I make that video, I'll post the link in the description below and in the comments. I'll also post a link to a Word document. I'll type all the things that we learned today in there. So if you forget anything, you can always look back into that. I'll pin the comment so that it's easy to find. And once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss on our videos. Bye!